Take command of the road in the 2005 Nissan Armada. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a leather steering wheel, adjustable pedals, a roof rack, and cruise control. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.